Hello everyone, this is Romana. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do my assignment 3 for Java. Here I already made the package under session 3 and this is the public class and this is the method. In this part I copied these statements from the portal. So here first statement says ask the user for a string. It should print please enter a string. Assume the user enters hello. So here at first I have to create a scanner bridge. Scanner, I gave it a name av equal to new scanner and system.in. For this statement I use this system.out.println and this method is used to display a variety of data types like strings, integers and objects. And after this I copied this line from here and then I used this method string name equal to av.next line because it's a string. Then the next statement is convert the string to all uppercase and print it. So that's why at first I used a method here string name2 equal to name dot to uppercase. Then I used this method and system.out.println within parentheses name dot to uppercase method. For the next question is print the length of that string. It should print 5. That's why I used this method system.out.println name.length. Then replace 0 with z. For this method I use the same method and inside this method I use name2 dot to replace 0 and z. After that give the last character of the string. It should print z. That's why I use this method, and to find the last character we have to find the length first. For that reason I used name2 dot chart within parentheses name2 dot length. After that I used -1 to get the last character of the string. And the last statement is concatenate the string from step 1 with string test. And for this statement I used system.out.println name.concat this word test with first one. Now let's run this assignment. Please enter a string November. So I used November for the first statement and it printed November here. And the next statement was convert the string to all uppercase and print it, and it gave all uppercase. Then it gives me length, the length of the string 8. After that replace 0 with z. It replaced November O with z. Give the last character of the string and it gave me the last character of the string is r. And finally it concatenate the string from the step 1 with string test is November test. Yeah, this is all for today and thank you for watching.